right behind the lights. This is the fire. Fire is spreading so rapidly in and around Colorado Springs. We just saw the orange flames now covered by the smoke. It just spread so quickly with the wind.